did not plan for this, but here we are. So I've made a last minute decision today to dye my hair. I feel like my life is a bit of a mess. I'm not feeling great. So I feel like the best thing to do is just change my hair. I hope you can relate. So the vision that I have for my hair is from this girl that popped up on my For You page on TikTok who is stunning. So if I look half as good, then I'll be happy. So my vision is I want to do these front pieces blonde and then the rest ginger. I did consider if I maybe need to bleach or get all of my hair blonde before putting the ginger on top to get it as vibrant as I'm kind of hoping for, but I chickened out. I think I'm just gonna put the ginger straight onto my dark hair. Some of my hair is kind of on the ginger side anyway, so hopefully it will turn out as I like. Maybe not as vibrant, maybe more on the subtle side. So it is now like almost 10 p.m. and yeah, this video wasn't planned, so I hope you enjoy the ride. So first, what I did before I even got the camera out was I sectioned off the pieces that I wanted to do blonde and just kind of clipped them out the way. So I'm not going to touch them for the moment. I'm going to worry about those later on. The dye that I got came with a step 1, which came with like a serum to put on your hair prior to coloring it, which was a bit weird, but I did it anyway. I used one packet and a little bit from my other packet. I then decided to work through my hair going by sections, starting at the bottom and working my way up. I didn't worry too much about using a brush to apply the dye. I just kind of rubbed it in with my hands really well, massaged it in, made sure to add some to my root and scalp area, and then just worked my way up through the rest of my hair until all my hair was coated in dye. I did buy 2 boxes because my hair is quite long and I wasn't sure exactly how much I would need. So at first I started out, I just mixed one of them and applied all of that. And then I was hesitant whether to use the other one or not, or whether to save it for if I wanted to go over my hair again. But then I thought my hair kind of looks on the dry side and I'd rather use too much than not enough. I really want to get like an even coating. I want an even color all around my hair. So I decided to mix up the second bottle just to make sure that my hair was saturated in the hair dye, and I'm glad that I did. I then put my hair up, I clipped it up and I put a plastic bag over it just to kind of help it process more and to try and get the most vibrant color that I can, and I left it in for about 45 minutes. I then rinsed all of that out. The water wasn't running completely clear, but I rinsed it until I got bored. And then I tied my hair up and then I mixed up the blonde to start working on my blonde pieces. And I sectioned them and applied the high lift color to those pieces and put them in foils. I really tried to make sure to saturate all of these pieces really well and get up in my root area. And once I did that, I left them in for about an hour. I then took them out, rinsed them a little bit, and then I let the rest of my hair down and gave my hair another rinse. I don't know if this is where I may have messed up a little bit. I don't know if the orange dye may have ran into the blonde sections a little bit and affected the color there. I'm not sure. I won't know until it's dry, but I am a little bit worried about that. I then used the Curly Secret Deep Conditioner. I like this one because it has plenty of protein in, just to kind of give my hair a little bit of extra loving after what it's been through today. I then shampooed twice because the hair dye did say to shampoo twice after using this dye. And then to condition, I just used the conditioner that came with the hair dye because these conditioners, they say that it's made to protect your color. So I decided to use that. that. I then completely rinsed my hair out. I put it up in a towel, and then I will probably dry my hair, and I may wait until tomorrow in the daylight to show you the finished results. I really hope this turns out good, and it is now midnight and I'm about to dry my hair. I am in love with my hair. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. My hair did turn out more red and darker than on the box, but I was expecting that, and I think it will fade over the next few washes. The blonde section, I feel like it complements this red really nicely. I feel like it's a nice level of blonde, but the look that I was aiming for, it's more of a lighter and brighter blonde, so I may go over this blonde part in a couple of weeks or something to get it to stand out a bit more. As for how much blonde I put in my hair, I don't know, maybe I could have done more. I don't know, I feel like it's not too much and it's also not too little. Maybe I did the right amount, but I think if I do it lighter and brighter, then that will make it stand out and pop just a little bit more, and it will be more noticeable. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how my hair turned out. I feel like I really was in the need of some change, and I just feel like this just makes me feel so good about myself. If you would like to see me try India Batson's routine on my hair, then make sure to check out this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!